I received reliable information that former DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan deliberately submitted to Malacanang incorrect grid coordinates of thousands of flood control projects all over the country which form part of the Sumbong sa Pangulo website. This resulted in grossly inaccurate data involving some 421 ghost projects on previously inspected flood control projects earlier reported to the public by the said department, and which they are now trying to rectify by comparing the records in their multi-year planning and scheduling, or MIPS, MYPS, project and contract management application, or PCMA, and other related documents that remain intact and in the possession of the department. Ang kino-cover up niya kasi somehow meron siyang complicity sa mga ghost flood control So nililigaw niya para ma-weekend yung teorya na may mga or masira yung credibilidad na yung mga ghost flood control projects talagang ghost. Nakita mo yung logic, di ba? Na kasi pag pumalpak ka sa mga 3, 4, 5 ghost, ibig sabihin, wala yung sumbong sa Pangulo website, hindi reliable yan. Wala yung credibility ng mga ghost, mali-mali yan, hindi talaga ghost yan. Probably, ganun lang naisip ko na motibo niya. Bakit niya ililigaw? At that time, he was still a member of the cabinet.
December 17, I think, sir, dapat yung pagbalik niya sa bansa,
Correct.
yun yung commitment niya. Sir, do you have information? Ano po bang plano? Bakit siya nagstay doon? Nagtatago na po ba or may balak na hindi bumalik ng bansa?
Yun ang indication. Kasi ang pangako niya, siguro ang paalam niya, or I believe, I'm not sure, na yung visa niya hanggang December 17 lang eh. I'm not sure. Kaya ang sinabi niya, babalik siya ng December 17. January na ngayon.
Papasabpina na siya to attend on Monday or invitation muna?
No, na-invite na siya last time eh.
Kaya
Susupina na
sabihin
siya ngayon.
So dahil hindi siya sumipot ng mga nakarang hearing, papasabpina na siya for Monday?
Pag hindi siya dumating, papakontempt na namin siya, pa-issue namin siya ng warrant of arrest.